Hi, my name is Imane. I am currently a trainee in Seedtag in the AdOps MENA team. An AdOps is basically an account manager that takes care of setting up the campaigns. We are in contact with different teams. In this process, we have a relationship with all the teams: design, sales, performance, programmatic, all the teams. Once the campaign has been booked, we make sure to set up the campaigns and optimize throughout the whole campaigns, and of course give insights for the clients at the end of the campaign about the pacing and the performance. What I love the most about the job is that you get to talk with people from different teams. You get to talk on a daily basis. Even with the clients, we have meetings most of the time, like daily, and I just love that interaction between I'm a people's person, so I love that. One of the biggest challenges, to be honest with you, was at first to assimilate the information and transitioning from being a student to getting actual tasks to do and applying whatever you have learned in university. But here in Seedtag, it's very easy to do that. They afford you, they provide every information, they provide help to everyone, so the process is really smooth. There is an opportunity for you to learn, especially right now. There are a lot of things that are provided for us. You can learn by yourself a lot and then find somewhere where you can apply that knowledge and where you can develop that knowledge even furthermore. And I think Seedtag is the best place to do that. In order to be a trainee here in Seedtag, you definitely need to have the background, whether it's university degree or anything like that. But for my case, I had apart from having a master's degree in business strategy and marketing, I had a lot of certificates from LinkedIn and Google as well. So it will be really helpful for you to get that, and you will definitely get to develop all those skills that you have learned here in Seedtag. As a trainee right now, I have the possibility to be promoted to be a junior account manager and then a senior, and then in the future with the experience, a manager. The experience as an AdOps would definitely help in actually everywhere if you want to pursue a career in digital marketing, as it is the base of everything. So, dream big, work hard, trust the process, and definitely enjoy the process.